Hey guys, it's River Dave. This is an RDP exclusive. Unless you are on riverdavesplace.com or one of our group Instagram or Facebook pages, you are not going to see this house. This house is absolutely a time capsule. It looks like it was built yesterday. Very, very little use. 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, over 1,600 square foot of garage, 10-foot doors, lake view, and I'm going to tell you right now, RV parking on the side, full concrete, hookups, 50 amp dumps. It has everything. But you know what it also has? It's a smart home. 91 smart light bulbs in this home. Your irrigation is controlled. Actually, the thing hooks into NOAA and local weather stations. You're gonna have to Google that, I did. You got your water heaters on, everything is smart controlled. You push a button, the house comes to life and it gets ready for you. Anyhow, guys, give us a call, 928-225-3375.
Hey Google, change all lights red. It's just that easy. It just takes it a minute because there are that many devices in this home, 91 to be exact.